Hey guys, Charles here from RacingLine Canada. Today we're at Auto Select Tuning for the first install in Canada of our Stage 3 turbo kit. Right behind me is our Golf R, in which we'll install the turbo today.
Hi, my name is Will Papatolewski. I am the owner here at Auto Select Tuning Inc. in Brampton, Ontario. And today we'll be doing a Stage 3 RacingLine Performance turbo kit install. It should be a complete plug and play unit. Comes with pretty much all the hardware, silicone hose, turbo muffler delete, turbo inlet. So sit back and enjoy. So for us to get access to the turbocharger here, we're gonna be removing the coil packs, coolant cross tube that goes across the back of the engine that overlaps the turbocharger. And then we'll be removing the solenoids for the exhaust camshaft to be able to get access to the top. We'll remove the shields, loosen up the downpipe. That should give us a bit more room. This way we can take the turbocharger out and we'll go from there. So we got the coolant cross tube out. We got all of the variable valve solenoids out from the back. Coil packs and everything are obviously out. We secured the harness over here in the front just to kind of keep it out of the way so it doesn't kind of get in the way as we work. So right now we're just working on the oil and coolant lines. We're gonna work on removing the downpipe and we're pretty much almost there getting the turbocharger out. Okay, so we finally got the OEM unit out. This assembly was pretty straightforward. Obviously the lines, the back of the block can be a little bit tricky, but what we usually do is we actually keep the oil return line still on the factory turbo when we remove it, and then we just turn around one of the coolant lines, and then we keep the other lines in the car just to make things a little bit more simpler. Now comparing the two units, we have the RacingLine Performance unit here and obviously the stock IS38, and there are some big differences. You can already tell just from the wheel size itself, very clean machining on the inside of the compressor housing. You can see the billet wheel there, super clean, very large diameter in comparison to the factory unit. The cool thing is too with the RacingLine unit, it already comes with the wastegate actuator on and set, and it's already marked and locked. The cool thing is too with the Stage 3 kit, it comes with the turbo muffler delete from RacingLine, already set and ready to go, which is a very nice clean piece with the O-rings and seals already attached to it. Stage 3 also comes with the upgraded turbo inlet, which some manufacturers or a lot of the aftermarket that we see does not come with an upgraded inlet. And the other cool thing is too, it also actually comes with the upgraded inlet hose itself for the turbo inlet. And usually to go along with the kit, you would get a full upgraded pump unit. But for this circumstance, we'll be using an Autotech unit. So we'll be taking the factory one apart and putting the upgraded pieces inside. But we're gonna swap the lines over to the RacingLine unit, and we're gonna be putting it back in the car, and we'll go from there. So we pretty much concluded the installation of the RacingLine Stage 3 Turbo Kit. We really took our time with doing the install, and everything was said and done is about 5 hours or so. So you can expect if you're gonna do this at home, it's probably gonna take a little bit longer since you're probably gonna have it up on jack stands, you're gonna have to fight with the downpipe and stuff a little bit. But all I gotta say, it's pretty straightforward. Has that OEM Plus finish. The fitment is phenomenal. I'm really happy the way this turned out. Very straightforward.